Enjoy. Okay, so light codes are subatomic filaments, like threads of light, on a subatomic level in our DNA. So we have always had them, and like people like Mary Magdalene and Jesus and Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, they have awakened these light codes within their body, so within their DNA, yeah? And so we also have them, and it works with free will. So now is the time in humanity where we can really wake up these light codes. It's anyway happening automatically. Like a lot of people are not maybe aware of it, but it's like the time is there. We are like, as a human collective, we are ripe, for that. So it is happening already. So there's different light codes. We give them different names, but it's in principle it's always the same. Like it's a light code. And so of course science says that there's like a lot of crap DNA in our DNA, junk DNA they call it, but of course junk DNA doesn't exist, right? It's all important. So you can go into your DNA and then connect to these light codes. And so they have different names, like freedom codes, ascension codes, diamond light codes, Magdalene codes, Christ consciousness codes. I mean, the freedom codes are like the Buddha, the Buddhic, our Buddha body codes that we have within us. Okay, nothing comes to mind more, but these are some of the words that we use for the light codes. So you can also activate those light codes. So the thing is that for me, this light language, the language of the soul, comes through when I move my body. So light language can come through words. Sometimes I will sing, chant, om, and so you can do that too. You can discover that new earth through just letting yourself express, not being afraid that you don't understand what the words mean, but just start to let that express itself from this region and your heart and the connection there, yeah? So toning is also a way. So for example, like that's, that you can feel that vibration, right? You can feel the vibration coming through. For me, the most easy for the light codes and the light language and everything like that to come through of the new earth. So the vibration of the new earth, the passion that I feel when I tune into the new earth is when I move, like sign language. So it's like, it's almost like calligraphy, like, but in the air with like light codes. And it's not like I'm doing that like that, but it's more like I am in my heart, and then something will come through, working with the chakras or the earth or the planet or deities, Mary Magdalene or other deities, the goddess, the divine mother. So you can do that too. You can work with that too. All that is the new earth. And so all that is you, is me, is us. And so we are the new earth. And so you are creating it right now. But watching this video, we are together creating the new earth. So thank you very much. I know I've made a few different recordings. Sometimes I'm wearing my dress like this, and sometimes like that. I can actually wear it in 6 different ways. It's a dress I bought years ago in Ibiza, in this island in Spain. So yeah, enjoy, I would say. Enjoy. Leave me a comment if you want. I hope to see you in one of my workshops, online or on site. Next year I will be back in Ibiza doing a beautiful workshop with my sister Sylvie. She will do the yoga, really going deep into the pelvic floor, and together we work with the sacred energies of the Kundalini. So yeah, you're more than welcome to join. Just sign into my newsletter to know about the dates, because we don't know yet. Okay, ciao. Thank you.